Alright, so I'm at 7 yards, that's 3 targets that are 3 yards apart, working on transition, so I'm only going to fire 1 round on each target. I'll fire 1 round on the first, shoot that fired, get my back to the next, fire again, and then fire again and repeat that process. I'm going to shoot 30 rounds, so I should have 10 on each target, provided all the rounds ignite. Probably wasn't a good idea to wipe my optic with my white shirt, that's alright. So 1 apiece. We'll see how many of these ignite. And just looking at my splits, I've been averaging around 60-ish for my transition. So I'm trying to get that down a lot faster. Leaving sooner, firing sooner, confirming only what I need to confirm and nothing more. So we'll start running the strings, 30 rounds, and then we'll go down to the target to see if we have 10 on them, minus any rounds that didn't ignite. That's 10.
I'm a pimp and I don't have to deal with. You got your shirt on backwards, player. Player as fuck up.
56, a 59, a 61, a 60, 63, 60, 61. So we're in those 60 ranges, so I want to get that down. So we'll run another string of 10. That's 1 that didn't fire. 2 that didn't fire. I'll keep note of that. So those were 61, 60, 61. So we're still in those 60s. We'll shoot the last string. I think we had 2 that didn't fire. Three that didn't fire. All right. So we had a few that didn't fire, so we'll go down and just mark up our targets and see. Should have about 27 on there or something like that. If I got the number missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rounds. Those are all in 4x6, which I love. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 1 low. So that's 18. We got 1 miss. 19, 20, 21, 22. So 23 or 24 in the 4x6. And there's my 3 up there and 3 didn't ignite. All right, so that's perfect. So most of them in 4x6. But my strings are in the 60s and 50s. At that time I got a few 50s in there, but I want to get that a little lower and maintaining that same level of accuracy.